Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. Hope you're having a fantastic Friday. I hope you got big plans for the weekend. Let's talk about the stock market, talk about the crypto markets, and see how good that weekend's going to be. So let's get right into it. Now the S&P is down in the pre-market, a little over 0.75%. It's Friday, typically a sell-off day, and especially with crypto going down, I would expect today to be a sell-off day. We love red days on this channel because it means it's going to give us a great buying opportunity. So what am I looking at buying? I'm going to be looking at buying some more Coinbase. Now I took a position in Coinbase yesterday at $83. However, we're down right at 10% in the pre-market at $75, which I think is a good price considering the fact that Bitcoin and Ethereum's only down about 7%. So I think Coinbase is down more than the cryptos. I think that gives us a good entry buying opportunity. If crypto continues to fall, then that'll change Coinbase's price, and we'll look at price targets there. But I am going to be taking a position around the $75 mark this morning. Now, I also want to talk about another play. Josh over on his channel, Stocks with Josh, actually put this on my radar, and that was Skills as a kind of short squeeze play. And Skills has been getting beat up pretty good. So I actually looked at taking a small starter position this morning, got in at $1.73. Now, on the technicals that I'm looking at, I could see this falling all the way back to about $1.50 really. So I just took a small position at $1.73. So I got a little exposure. If it goes up, I'll make a good ROI. If it pulls down, then I'm going to be looking at taking a position at around $1.50. But I am looking at that company, at getting a little exposure, because I do believe there's a good little pop coming, and that is ticker symbol SKLZ. So I do like that. I like that play. Check it out for yourself, see what you think. And the other play that I'm looking at today is actually a short position, which you know I don't normally do. However, this is one of those short positions where the technicals really show that it just shouldn't be here. It's a big enough company that it's not likely to just blow up out of nowhere. And that's Foot Locker, ticker symbol FL. Foot Locker blew up this morning in the pre-market, and to me the news just does not warrant the amount of gain that it's gotten. I did take a position at $39. It's currently a little higher than that. If it breaks 40, I'll look at taking another short position in it, because I really see this falling back before the day is over, or by first of next week. I see this falling back down $33, $34, no more than $35. So there's going to be a really nice little gain in taking a short position on Foot Locker, in my opinion. Check it out for yourself, see what the charts look like to you, see if it makes sense for your trading. But I'm willing to risk it. I like the setup that it's got. I believe it's blown up kind of along with the other meme plays to see how far it can blow up, kind of like Bed Bath & Beyond. But I just don't see it getting the momentum like Bed Bath & Beyond did. I look for it to get shut down pretty quick and drop pretty rapidly. So that's what I'm trading on today. Of course, we're still holding our OUST as well as our SoFi. Today may be a pretty red day. Might give us a buying opportunity to average down even further on them. Or we may just hold them, let it play out, see where we go, depending on how far down they drop. If they drop really good, then I'm going to be looking to position down. If they just drop a little, just hold it till the first of the week and see what kind of pop we get there. See if we get a little strength back in crypto. You know, I wanted to talk about crypto for a minute right at the end here. Crypto broke down. Bitcoin has been pushing up at that $25,000 mark, falling back down to about the 23. That was our level of support. We broke through that. We're down in the 2100 range now, or 21,000 range now. As long as we can hold 21,000, we're still okay. Means we can leg back up and try to retest that 23. That would be good for Bitcoin. Now, on the other hand, if we start losing volume, We could break the 21. If we break the 21, then we're likely to see it go back down to around 19,000. Now, with that being said, I do believe it's giving us some great buying opportunities. You already know I bought some Cardano at 55 cents. I was just talking about it yesterday at 53 cents as long as Bitcoin was moving up. Now, it's pulled way down. Cardano's sitting at 46 cents, which, as you know, 45 cents is pretty much my floor for Cardano. We've not seen it break below 45 cents and stay there for any period of time. So 45, 46 cents, I believe, is just the ultimate buying price for Cardano. I'm also going to be looking at some XLM. We have made a lot of money buying XLM at 10 cents, riding it up to 12 cents. That's a 20% ROI on that trade. And if Bitcoin pulls down just a little bit more, there's a very good chance that XLM could get down to that 10-cent level and give us a great buying opportunity. So I'm going to be watching both of them, as well as Tezos. I told you I was looking at Tezos if it dropped that back down to around 180. Of course, we're way below that now. However, Bitcoin's lower. But I'm going to seriously be looking at Tezos in the $1.50 range at this level of Bitcoin. Could be a very good pop from there, as well as we talked about Sandbox yesterday. Sandbox down around $1 with this level of Bitcoin could be a fantastic trade in the short term. So that's just a couple of things I'm looking at. We're going to see how Bitcoin and Ethereum holds. You know, so far Ethereum and Bitcoin's moving down fairly consistently. If I see Ethereum pull down more than Bitcoin, like we'll say Bitcoin holds at 7% down on the day, but Ethereum falls back to about 10-11%, I'm going to be looking at picking up some Ethereum. Because if I get that gap, I know chances are, with the upcoming catalyst and everything Bitcoin has, it's going to continue to outpace Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes back up 2%, Ethereum's going to go up more than likely 3 or 4%. So if I see Ethereum outpacing Bitcoin moving downward, I'm going to pick some up. That's how I'm going to be playing it. Not financial advice. You have to do what's right for you and your portfolio, but give you what I'm doing every day so that you can look at it, check it out for yourself. At the very least, look at it, learn the numbers, and start to understand that pattern. That's what I got for you. Don't miss this afternoon's video. If you like free money, I'm going to be giving away some money. I'm going to be doing a little challenge on here. It's going to be super simple. Anyone can participate and get a chance to win some cash. So make sure you catch my video this afternoon. Until then, be blessed. Be sure and hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, and never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.